Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that I'm very excited about, but I probably should have covered a long time ago, but I'm still glad I'm covering it right now, and it's a Google search. Now you're probably wondering, how do you jazz up a Google search video tutorial? But I'm going to show you how to be more granular and how to get exactly what you want out of that. So let's start the clock. I want to keep this under 3 minutes. So here I'm going to type in Africa Campaign World War II, and I hit enter, and from there I get all these search results. Now with this you get news, images, and videos. If you want to get somewhat granular on these, you also get into more. And then if you want to get something that's more recent, I guess you should say, here you've got a tool for time frame, and I take a look at the time frame in which I want to narrow my search. In this particular case, I want to get more granular on maps, and beforehand I did a search for maps under here. I didn't find anything that I wanted. There was nothing that came up. So I'm going to go into advanced search. Now under advanced search, I'm going to refine this a little bit more. I'm going to type in African Campaign World War II, and I'm going to look for the exact word or phrase. I'm going to look for any language, which is fine, any region, any time. Site or domain, I could do a .gov, and this is fine if you're looking for, let's say, something like Census Bureau data, or let's say maybe a more scholarly article, so you'd look in something like .edu. But I'm going to leave this open. Terms, I'm not going to care on that. Safe search, yes, I want to keep that. Any format, and here's where I can look for like PowerPoints, Word documents, Flash files, PDF files. Here I want to look for something more specific as KML files. And I'm going to click on Advanced Search. And here's one that the first thing that pops up is this KML file. And when I click on that, I'm going to get this file right down here. And this is a text file that doesn't make any sense if you open it up. It's kind of gibberish. But when I import it into Google Maps, this is where things magically start happening. Now if I click on, let's say, any one of these, and under this, under Google Maps, you have to create a new layer. You have to import that layer, and once you import that, then you start getting all of this information. And this is really cool to use maps in, let's say, a history lesson, because then I can bounce around and take a look at all this cool data in here. Now some of these have pictures, some of them don't, but this gives me kind of a visual timeline of what's going on during these battles. So very cool. With that said, I implore you, if you want to learn more about this, I don't want to touch too much on it, but I totally implore you to take a look more into Google search, the advanced tools with that. With that said, thanks for tuning in. Please hit the like button down below. Also, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way when new content's pushed out, you'll be the first to know. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day, everybody.